is another video of me cooking for my kids. This one is my son's favorite. Aside from French fried potatoes, this is one of the most cooked meal I prepared for my sons, especially during their breakfast and or their snack time. This recipe is one that I've learned also from a friend, an OFW in Hong Kong. Hello, Sis Maridal. Shout out to you. So I'm sauteing the ingredients first, the garlic, minced garlic and onions. Thank you, Lord. I just want to thank you, Lord. And then after a few seconds, I will just add the carrots, sliced like that. It will be followed by the tomatoes. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. And now let the weak say, I am strong. Let the poor say, I am rich because of what the Lord has done for us. Give thanks. At 25 years old, I got pregnant with my first son. And then when I was 26 years old, we got married. It was actually a day with 3 celebrations held. Our town's feast day, our wedding day, and my son's christening day. Our wedding ceremony was officiated by our church pastor, Pastor Flor Guillermo Tupiao. I was formerly a private lending company employee. After 2 years, I've got employed to a rural bank. After 4 years, I resigned, and nearly a year of resignation, I tried to apply again for a work, and then I was employed to a cooperative. I experienced being a financial audit staff at an electric cooperative for almost 6 years. In 2013, I studied and took up Master in Business Administration. So by 2015, I finished my studies. I pursued my dream of becoming an employee in the government agency. So then I became a teacher in the year 2017. Praise and glory be to God. I am so happy, grateful, and blessed since the day God made me a teacher. I really wanted to be a CPA first, but He made me what I am now. By God's grace, I became a licensed teacher since year 2018 when I passed the licensure examination for professional teachers. At present, I am happily married with my husband. We have 2 kids named after me, Lord Daniel and Lord William. To my family whom I look up to every day, cooking meals for them, which this channel started during the pandemic period lockdown. So then I came up with the idea of recording my cooking activity and named our channel Lord Brothers, which is intendedly about my two sons. Aside from my cooking and singing, etc., etc. Thank you guys for listening to my story and supporting my channel all the way by viewing my posted videos. Hope you have enjoyed and continue to watch. Let me know also if you wanted to be featured so that I may shout you out and or create videos with you. Thank you, dear viewers. Thank you guys. Till next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tada! Try mo na rin. Very easy recipe. Sarap niyan! Pwede nyo ring lagyan ng chili oil or chili powder kung bet nyo ng medyo spicy. This is Kuya Lord Daniel. Ito naman po si Ading Lord William.